In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an itinerary on Canva. We'll start from a blank slate and finish with a clean, shareable PDF you can print or keep on your phone. First, open Canva in your browser or app. In the search bar at the top, type itinerary or travel planner. This pulls up a gallery of ready-made designs, which is the fastest way to get a polished look. You can preview a few and notice the styles. Some are minimalist and monochrome, others are colorful with playful icons. Pick one that matches your trip vibe and the amount of detail you want to include, then click it to open in the editor. Once you're inside the editor, customize the cover. Click the title and rename it with your trip's name, like Bali Adventure or Weekend in the Mountains. If the font doesn't match your style, select one that's easy to read and consistent with the theme. To add a photo, go to the Photos tab to find a relevant image, or open Uploads to bring in your own. Drag the image onto the page and adjust the crop so the focal point is centered. A slight brightness or contrast tweak can help your title pop. Now, structure your plan. Duplicate pages to create sections such as Day 1, Accommodation, and Packing List. You can duplicate using the page controls under the canvas so each new page maintains the same layout. For daily schedules, add text boxes for times, locations, and activities. Keep times aligned in a column and use clear headings for each stop. Short, consistent descriptions make the schedule easy to scan at a glance. If you need more space, reduce the font size slightly rather than cramming lines together, and keep margins generous for printing. Add visuals to make it intuitive. In the Elements tab, search for icons like a plane, fork and knife, or hiking boot, then drag them in to highlight transportation, meals, and activities. Stick to a small set of icon styles and colors to keep everything cohesive. For helpful references, use the link feature. Select text or an icon, click the three dots or link icon, paste in your Google Maps route, booking confirmation, or any document. These links will be clickable in your final PDF, which is great for quick access on the go. Before exporting, review your pages for consistent fonts, sizes, and colors. Scan for typos and make sure spacing and alignment are even. When you're happy, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for a high-quality file that's easy to share and print. That's it, your itinerary is ready to go. Thanks for watching.